Hello guys, this is Neo and welcome to another episode. For this episode po, i-review natin ng SJ Cam SJ8 Pro. This is a special episode sponsored by Memory.PH. Maraming salamat po to Sir Roland sa pag-provide ng camera. So let's go into the specs. So ang SJ8 Pro can record up to 4K resolution and then can be zoomed up to 8 times. So napaka-valuable kung gagawin mo siyang action camera at the same time dashcam. Comes with an umbrella processor and then Sony CMOS sensor. So, meron siyang angle of 170-degree field of view. So, napaka-wide ng pwede mong i-record and marami kang mas pwedeng i-capture. So, meron siyang Type-C port for charging and as well as yun na rin ang gagamitin mong port for the microphone adapter in which is a 3.5mm microphone. So, merong SJ Cam app na pwede mong kontrolin ng SJ8 Pro mo. Pwede mong kontrolin ng pag-record or pag-view ng mga footage mo. Of course, one of my favorite is meron siyang OIS or Optical Image Stabilization, in which is binabalanse niya yung shake sa camera mo or minimitigate niya. Malaking tulong ito lalo na kung maalog ang iyong mga footage. Binabawasan niya yung shake and nagiging mas watchable ang ating mga video. So meron siyang loop recording din. Pwede kang mag-record na mag-record. Kapag inan mo yung footage, kukunin niya lang is yung last 15 minutes. So very ideal to kung may nangyaring anuman na very important, pwede mo i-post doon para kapag nag-edit ka na, alam mong nasa dulo na part na yon, and then can lessen your editing time. And lastly, isa sa mga favorite ko is yung kanyang MP4 format. Very low ang pagkain niya ng memory space. So kahit 128GB, which is the maximum space, maraming footage ka makukuha doon. Even at 4K. Okay, gamit natin ngayon ang onboard microphone ng SJ8 Pro. Wala tayong gamit na external microphone, just the raw input na nanggagaling from everywhere. As you can hear, I think, may mga dumadang sasakyan, may nagko-construction sa likod, and may mga asong tumatahol. So, yun yung environment namin dito eh. So, sa harapang screen, meron tayong indicators, gaano katagal na battery life meron ba tayo, and how long we've been recording. And ayun nga, meron siyang 4K quality. So, in case na medyo malayo yung kailangang information, we can zoom in to actually show the details. So, napaka-importante ng 4K, lalo na if you're going to use the SJ8 camera as a dashcam. Okay, proceed tayo sa pros and cons ng SJ8. It takes time to familiarize with lalo na sa pag-operate ng camera. Connectivity issues with the mobile app. Short battery life when recording at 4K. Pero syempre, marami naman din tayong pros pambawi sa cons. It can record up to 4K na kaya mag-zoom up to 8 times. Meron siyang wide field of view at 170-degree angle. Lightweight body. Napakagaan itong unit na to. Kahit i-mount mo buong araw sa iyong helmet, hindi mo mararamdaman yung bigat niya. As earlier said, medyo maiksi ang buhay ng kanyang battery pero it's easily swappable. Loaded with shooting options at napaka-generous ng SJ Cam for providing lots of mounting options. Okay, conclusion tayo for the SJ8 Pro. I can say this is a very versatile camera that you can use both for your creatives or for your content or for your everyday use or as a dashcam. You just need to take note some of the cons tulad ng pagka-delay ng recording niya when doing so. And overall, it's still a solid camera. You can utilize all of its features for that price point. Pwede mo makuha ang camera na to sa Memory.PH for 8,900 pesos. Pero pwede ka maka-avail ng discount if you use this special code right here. Ayun, maraming salamat nga po pala ulit sa Memory.PH at kay Sir Roland sa pagpapayaram sa akin ng SJ8 camera na to. This episode wouldn't be possible if it weren't for them. So if you have any needs for your vlogging, mapa-moto vlogger ka man, or life vlogger, or travel vlogger, everything that you need, you can find it at Memory.PH. Again, this is Neo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. As always, ride safe and see you on the roads.